blade and quill. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk character design. I have 3 quick tips for you today, so let's not waste any time and let's get started. Tip number 1, ask questions. What is the theme of your story? Is your story set in a past fantasy world or in a far future? Will it include magical beings, elves, fairies? Is your story made to make people laugh? Is your hero acting goofy, or does he or she has funny features? Who is your character? A hero, a villain, a group of people or creatures? The list goes on. Then, toward the end of your list, ask more general questions. Are you creating a male, a female, young or old? Where does your character live or spend most of his or her time? These questions are important as they will play a role in your decisions of color scheme or colors combinations. We will talk about the importance of colors in your designs in another tutorial. Finally, what is the moment you are about to portray? You know, that Kodak moment. Write down all these questions on a piece of paper or in a Word document and set them aside or next to you as you will answer them while you draw. For this particular demonstration, I have created this extremely basic and simple character. He is a male knight who lives in a fantasy world where the human kingdom coexists with cat warriors and gentle dragons. My knight was sent on a mission by the cat princess to go after thieves who stole a precious necklace from her. Tip number 2, create character design sheets. When you are done with all your drawings, clean them up and organize them on different canvases. These will be your character design sheets. These are ideas you lay down. You can always modify your drawings when you are ready to set the scene of your cartoon. Try to have different facial expressions of your main character. The most common expressions used are surprise, anger, trickery, and fear. It is important to do this as this process will help you become more familiar with your character. Then it is time to draw tools or weapons that your hero may use. This is what I call props. Familiarize yourself with the armor and try to see if you can draw parts of it from different angles. You don't have to do this, but it's a good idea and a good practice. It doesn't have to be pretty, you are just exercising your creativity. Tip number 3, draw extras. Draw the cat princess, the thieves, some animals maybe. These characters may or may not be included in your scene, but draw them anyway. Let your creativity flow and this will help you visualize your characters' worlds better. So in summary, when you design a character, try to include facial expressions and make your character tell the story through his body language. Finally, embellish the scene with extras and props. And we have done it again. We have successfully finished this quick overview. I hope this was helpful. In the next upcoming tutorial, I will talk about where to collect and find reference images. So have a great week drawing, and I will see you next Monday. Bye.